Convert string to Python class object. Given a string as user input to a Python function, I'd like to get a class object out of it if there's a class with that name in the currently defined namespace. Essentially, I want the implementation for a function which will produce this kind of result. Is this, at all, possible?
Warning: eval can be used to execute arbitrary Python code. You should never use eval with untrusted strings. See Security of Python's eval on untrusted strings. This seems simplest.
This could work.
You could do something like
you want the class Baz, which lives in module foo.bar. With Python 2.7, you want to use importlib.import_module, as this will make transitioning to Python 3 easier. With Python is lower than 2.7. Use
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.